Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope all of you are fine. Today's our lecture. Today's I will do the lecture on electricity and circuit. And the topic you will cover in this lecture is how current flows through the circuit. In this topic, you will be able to know about electricity, what is electricity, and what is electric circuit, and what are the things we need to make a simple electric circuit. Okay, electricity is the flow of electrons through an atom or from an atom. Okay, and now we will go to the source of electric current, move toward the source of electric current. There are following types of sources of electric current, such as electrochemical cells, solar cells and electric generators and dynamos are the sources of electricity. The first source we will discuss in this chapter is electric cell. As you can see in the photo, there are two terminals in the electric cell, such as positive terminal and negative terminal. Positive terminal has a metal cap, whereas the negative terminal has a disc. You can also see it in your home in mm, watch, clock, and torch. And two types of terminals. And an electric cell produce electricity by chemical reaction taking place between the chemicals placed inside the body of the cell. How electric current pass through the cell? So the answer is the chemical energy. In which form the energy pass through the cell? In the form of chemical energy, the electric cell produce electricity. When we use electric cell for a long time, the electric cell stop producing electricity because the chemicals in it has consumed during power generation. Now we will move toward the electric circuit. What is electric circuit? The complete path for the flow of electric current is the known as electric circuit. In a simple electric circuit, you can see in a diagram shown here, you will have, first you have to take bulb holder, connecting wires, and cell or a battery. Okay, connecting wire are used to conduct electric current, whereas bulb is able to light up when electric current flow through the connecting wire. And the cell provide energy. If you use electric cell, the energy is in the form of chemical energy. And a switch is used to keep the circuit off or on. Okay, and again now we will go toward the incomplete circuit, incomplete electric circuit. If the connecting wire are not connected to each other or to the battery or to the cell, then you will be able to see that electric current will not pass to the bulb and bulb will not glow. How the bulb glow? You can see in the, I have mentioned on 10a. It is your question also. Thin wire, through thin metal wire in the bulb, electricity flows and the bulb light up. Connecting wires, if there is no bulb attached to the holder, so the bulb will not light up. If there are 3 to 4 possibilities for bulb light up or not light up. Okay, I will discuss it later. First of all, I told you about bulb. Bulb has metal part, glass cover. As you can see, bulb has metal part, thin wire for the bulb to glow. Glass cover protect the internal body structure of the bulb. Now we'll move toward connecting wires. Connecting wire has a metal core uh, for the conduction of electric current. As the metal is a good conductor of electricity, so metal core is used for current. The plastic cover on metal core for the protection from the current for the persons who is using the metal wire, a bulb. Now, if you remove a bulb from holder, the bulb will not glow because why? It's a question. Why? If you remove the bulb from the holder, it will not glow. Why? The answer is that because bulb is not attached to the electric path, so it will not glow. Okay, so our lesson is over. Thank you for listening, and question answers you will prepare in this is question number 2, question number 1, question number 5. I have point out these questions in your reading also. Question number 5 and question number 11, 8 and 10. These are short question answers and you will be able to answer the questions now. Okay, stay safe, stay healthy. Allah Hafiz.